Hello everyone, you're watching The Savera and I'm Pavit Kaur. Today, Dr. Navjot Kaur Sidhu met the Honorable Governor of Punjab where she gave a memorandum and where there were few of the issues of Chandigarh that were brought to the notice, and with us right now we have Dr. Navjot Kaur. Dr. Navjot Kaur, you met the Honorable Governor today. What were the issues that were raised by you?
The main issue was all the area, the Shivalik range around Chandigarh, which could actually be a economic trigger for Punjab, and would actually within 6 months we could give away with all our whatever on each and every person we have a loan. So we could do away with the loans and we could have eco-friendly projects. Those lands have been given to land grabbers, whosoever it may be. I don't label anyone as VVIP. A VVIP is a person who's a gentle person, who's an honest person, who won't grab land, who is with a strong character. That is a VVIP person. We remember Abdul Kalam ji. Why do we salute him? We remember Ambedkar ji. We remember Gandhi ji because of what they did for us and what the Punjab has sacrificed for, our gurus have sacrificed for this land. We can't give this land to land grabbers. Instead, we can take out Punjab from all this, turmoil, which, they say we don't have money to pay salaries to anyone. They are not giving new jobs. But we are giving you the solutions. We told you, make liquor and sand mining a government project. So why did he refuse? Sorry, he got Navjot Sidhu, he called Navjot Sidhu and he told him, how should I run the government? Navjot Sidhu told him that you can run the government by doing your liquor privately so that all the tax revenue is collected. Now, Madhya Pradesh and Telangana, like they earn 50,000 crores from liquor. We consume 3 times more liquor than them, and we get around 4,000 CR. So where is that going? That is an illegal process which is going on. Can he show me the L1 licenses? The Delhi people are getting the licenses. They are selling liquor. They are not depositing tax in Punjab. And so how can we become rich in economy? How can we save our economy? How will we give away our loans? And we have such amazing projects for this Himalayan range. We have medical tourism. We have film industry, we have culinary university, we have Disney World, we have a steel structure of Shiva by Sadhguru, we have wellness centers by Art of Living, we've already worked on it, travel tourism, and you name anything, we have it under the roof. International golf course, and a big zoo like Vantara, because the future is going to be green carbon. Each and every factory which is running in Punjab will have to give a green carbon in return. What do you think? What did the Reliance people, why did they open Vantara? It is only for getting the green carbon points so that they can run their factories.
So how has the meeting been with the governor? What did he respond to the issues that you were taken up with?
He was amazing and he called the senior members and said, look into all the details. I have provided him with all the details. He doesn't need to go anywhere. I have provided him the Justice Kuldeep Singh report, the Chandrasekhar report, and then my second point was the deteriorating law and order situation in Punjab, where no one is to be seen, like, everyone is feeling so pissed off, and every day you get, the businessmen are getting those, yeah, and they don't even know what wrong have they done. So that is so bad. They're just doing challans to collect money. And the third was the Punjab University. Please don't take Punjab University from us. Please don't take Chandigarh from us. Chandigarh has been built on Punjab villages. So let it stay with us. Fourth was naming the railway station in Delhi after Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji because of his sacrifice and his 350th Shatabdi Divas.
So apart from this, have you had any meetings? Because you mentioned that you also met Amit Shah. So any other meetings that are lined up in the coming days for the
No,
betterment?
these meetings are lined up. This happened just by my mails and all. The response was so quick because I just needed 1 week to proceed. The governor actually wrote back the mail that he's out till the 4th. And just imagine, I'm here on the 6th. So how soon could it be? But he was the one who actually helped me in solving this problem, in getting those people understand that it is going to be very bad. The students are not studying, their exams are coming up. So please stop this issue, sit with them and then decide on it.
So with this, can we say that this is a comeback for Dr. Navjot Kaur Sidhu in the active politics?
It's been 6 months since I've been active in politics, but of course I'm more focused on my seat, Amritsar East, because they are missing me so much. And now they've had their cup of tea because the lady who came after me, they're so pissed off by her because they haven't even seen her. And now they compare my working with her working, and now they say, "Ma'am, please aa jao." और हमने आपको ही वोट डाली थी. I wonder why you lost, because it was all fake voting, and they were all dead people who were voting. They were all NRI persons who haven't come here since 10 years, whose votes were there. So, but we can't fight the system so strongly.
Coming back to the voting thing, Zilla Parishad elections are there right on the corner, and you are talking about the law and order situation, and there is so much politics that's going around the particular thing. How do you see the situation right now?
I've heard the video leaks where they are telling the police to actually grab the tickets and tear them up, and don't let the people come to the polling station. Matlab, don't create a scene at the polling station. Before that, reach their house, reach their area, tear their files, and threaten them in their villages. Don't step out. Don't fight elections. So this is not a good way. And then you are talking about Modi ji. Excuse me, sir, what are you doing here in Punjab?
We are, because you stated that from past 6 months you have been active. So when can we expect Dr. Navjot Singh coming into the field once again? Because that's the most talked about thing right now in the Punjab politics, because general elections are also approaching. So how is sir, is he thinking about coming back to the active politics?
No, he's still very clear on the fact that he's very busy with his work. His concentration is too great and he concentrates on his work. He has formed more than 2 governments in Punjab. He helped in forming governments in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh. And, once you're on the stage and people believe you, and then they don't do what you are saying, what you're promising to the people, then you feel you are lying. So he doesn't want to be a liar. He wants to be a performer. So if anyone gives him that honor, that he can take 20 people along and really make out a change in Punjab, then he's ready. Otherwise, he's very happy with his, whatever he is doing right now.
Thank you so much, Dr. Navjot Kaur Sidhu. So this was Dr. Navjot Kaur Sidhu, who today met the Governor of Punjab, where she brought up the 4 topics, which includes the land grabbing thing that is happening in Chandigarh. Apart from that, the law and order situation that has taken place in Punjab, and all the Punjab University related issues. And she is quite confident that in coming time, these issues will be addressed. With Bunny, this is Pavit Kaur for the Savera.